perch up high, brush my teeth, then wash my eye. Splashy bath, so fresh and clean. Now I'm ready, neat and keen. Comb my hair and tie my shoes. Eat my veggies, not junky foods. Say please and thank you too. Kind words always shine right through. Keep my toys all in their place. Wipe my hands and wash my face. Help my friends and share my stuff. A little kindness is enough. When I sneeze, I cover tight. Say sorry when I'm not right. Early to bed when stars appear. Good habits make me smile all year.
Great job, little stars. Keep shining with your good habits. Thanks for watching Kiddie Stories. Click the bell so you don't miss our next happy song.